All right. Yeah, I can understand. Can I turn it this way? Will it work? Or will we get upside down?
Well, if you stopped recording, well, yeah, I mean, what do you mean?
I turned the phone the other way because I keep covering it over here.
Okay, stop recording and then
Yep, here we go. All right, so technology. I got to figure it out.
We forgot the Osmo, so.
We forgot the Aussie.
Yeah, we forgot Ozzy.
He's going off the rails on a crazy train, so I don't know, is that legal? I don't know if I can say that on here.
You can say it.
Okay. Anyway, here's a Money Counts Monday for you from Stonehouse Homestead, where we're taking small steps towards self-sufficiency, using what we have to do what we can where we are. And today we are going, am I allowed to say that we're going to a location that doesn't have tax?
Yeah, but we're going to a state that doesn't have tax. We live in a state that taxes you up the...
Yeah, you know what that is. Yeah, so we're going to a state that doesn't have sales tax on clothing because John needs to buy some clothing. So that's one way we're going to save some money today. And for our trip, I've got water with us, and I've packed snacks to take with us so that we don't have to worry about stopping for anything to eat. So that saves us money as well. So if you are in need of purchasing some items, we recommend that you buy the best that you can afford because it will last longer, but don't go into debt for the best. Just get the best you can afford with cash.
So if you want a Mercedes but can't afford it, buy a Chrysler.
There you go. That's, yes. That's good. So here we are at our destination, and I have to mention that for us to come to another state to do our shopping tax-free, it's not costing us any more money in gas than it would be to go within our state, because where we're located, the next biggest town to us is equal distance to the shopping center in the next state. So we're not spending any more than we would if we stayed within state, if you understand what I'm saying. So now we will take money from our clothing envelope that we filled at the beginning of the month and go see what we can find for John. So that's the money saving tip we have for you this week on Stonehouse Homestead. We ask that if you are getting some inspiration and some information from our little Money Counts Monday tips, that you like us and that you subscribe to our channel. And that you can also find us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up, please. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.